CZ Brand 2 is a lightweight and compact rifle. Allow users to operate quickly and comfortably. The materials used to make the gun are non-combustible. Not only increases fire resistance, it is also resistant to impact and mechanical damage. Piston mechanism of CZ Brand 2 with 3-stage adjustment function and able to operate in any environment. All have high reliability and durability. It also has high precision. The bullet is using 5.56 x 45 mm NATO, 7.6 x 39 mm, short-stroke pneumatic piston. Rate of fire, 850 rounds per minute. Maximum range 400 meters. Ammunition feeding method, static magazine. Mechanical sights. Various sights can be mounted on Picatinny rails. AK-47 Kalashnikov automatic rifle. The version developed in 1947 was called the AK-47 Kalashnikov automatic rifle. It was designed by former Soviet firearms designer Mikhail Fajevic at the end of the season. Assault rifle designed by Kalashnikov. Bullet 7.6 x 39 mm M1943. Long stroke pneumatic piston. Rotary bolt. Semi-automatic. Fully automatic. Optional shooting. Rate of fire, 600 rounds per minute. Muzzle velocity 715 meters per second. Effective range 300 meters, 328.08 yards. Maximum range 400 meters, 437.45 yards. Ammunition supply method 30 and 40 round magazines, 75 and 100 round drum magazines. Sights, mechanical sights, metal rear sight adjustable. M16 assault rifle. The M16 is the main infantry light weapon used by the U.S. Army since 1967. Also adopted by at least 15 NATO countries, it is the most produced model among firearms of the same caliber. The upper and lower receivers of the M16 are made of aluminum alloy, and the barrel and bolt assembly are made of steel. The handguard, pistol grip, and butt are made of plastic. The FNF200 is Fabrique Nationale's only bullpup-fed assault rifle. Adopts short-stroke piston transmission system with adjustable gas flow and fires 5.56 x 45 mm NATO ammunition and corresponding static magazine. Due to the single cow design, the F200 is only 694 mm 27.3 inches long, but still has a 400 mm 15.7 in barrel and preset 1.6x optical sight. If a special grenade launcher is installed, a dedicated fire control system that can also be used to change equipment, measure distance, and calculate bullet impact point. The entire F200 gun uses a lot of plastic, therefore lighter than older bullpup rifles. In addition, when the F200 is fired, the first cartridge case will remain in the cartridge case slot. The first cartridge case will not be discharged until the third to fourth shot. The gun has bolt handles on both sides of the receiver. Can be locked rearward on the lock slot to facilitate magazine loading. Steyr AUG assault rifle. It is a gun manufactured by the Austrian firearms manufacturer Steyr Mannlicher. Military assault rifle introduced in 1977. It is the first bullpup-type military rifle in history to be officially adopted and widely equipped. The gun was first adopted as the standard rifle by the Austrian Federal Army in 1978 and named it STG-77 Sturmgewehr 77, meaning Type 77 assault rifle. Later, it was also adopted by the military and law enforcement agencies of many countries. Short-stroke pneumatic piston, rotating bolt, firing mode, semi-automatic, fully automatic, controlled by progressive trigger. Ammunition supply method, 30, 42 round translucent magazine. C-Mag drum. Sight 1.5x optical sight AG1. Various sights can be installed through the Picatinny rail on the top of the upper receiver. AG2, A3, and some derivatives. FAMA's assault rifle, meaning light automatic rifle produced in Saint-Étienne. It is produced by Army Industrial Corporation. Standard assault rifle equipped by the French Army. It is also one of the famous bullpup rifles. Caliber 5.56 millimeters, .2 to 3 inches. Bolt lever delayed recoil type. Mode, launch mode, semi-automatic, 3-shot burst, fully automatic, optional firing. Ammunition supply method, FAMA's F1, G1 25-round straight magazine. FAMA's G2, Stanag magazine, CMAG drum. Sights mechanical sights, metal rear sight. Additional sights can be installed via retrofit adapters. L85 rifle is a selectable fire mode firearm, and AR series rifles operate in rotary bolt mode. The L85 rifle became the standard weapon of the British Army in 1987, replaced the L1A1 semi-automatic rifle derived from the FN full. The improved SA-80A2 is still in service with the British Army. Its latest model is SA-80A3L85A3, design concept based on the late 1940s. EM2 assault rifle designed by Royal Small Arms Factory Enfield. Although somewhat similar in appearance, they are two completely different weapons in terms of mechanical structure. Caliber 5.56 millimeters, .2 to 3 inches. Short stroke pneumatic piston. Rotary bolt. Launch mode, semi-automatic. Fully automatic. Optional. SIG 550 assault rifle is an assault rifle designed and manufactured by Swiss Arms EG. Long stroke pneumatic piston. Rotary bolt. The Swiss Army standard rifle bullet is GW-POT 95.6 mm GP90 with an effective range of 300 meters. It can also be used with 5.56 mm NATO rifle bullets. Effective distance is 400 meters up to 600 meters if a scope is added. IMI TAR-21 assault rifle. The TAR-21 is an Israeli bullpup assault rifle chambered for 5.56 times for 5 NATO ammunition. The design of TAR first considers issues such as more advanced ergonomics and composite materials, allows the user to use a more comfortable and reliable rifle. Uses NATO standard rifle bullets 5.56 45 NATO and standard Stanag magazines M16 magazines. Long stroke pneumatic piston, rotary bolt. Rate of fire 750 to 900 rounds minute. Effective range 300 to 600 meters, 328.08 to 656.17 yards. HKG-3 automatic rifle. HKG-3 was developed by the German company Heckler & Koch in the 1950s. A 7.62 times 51 mm NATO caliber battle rifle based on the semi-automatic rifle has been adopted by a large number of countries. Due to the roller delayed recoil structure, HKG-3 has very high accuracy. HKG-36 assault rifle. The G36 is a modern assault rifle launched by Germany's Heckler & Koch company H&K in 1995. Fires 5.56 times 45 mm NATO standard bullets. G36 uses a large amount of glass fiber reinforced composite materials with stainless steel as the skeleton. The weapon is therefore lighter in weight. Short stroke pneumatic piston, rotating bolt, semi-automatic, 2-shot burst, fully automatic, optional shooting. Rate of fire 750 rounds per minute. Muzzle velocity 920 meters per second. Effective range 600 meters G36 800 meters. Maximum range 1000 to 100 meters. Ammunition feeding method G36 specification magazine. Stanag magazine, CMAG drum.